Hello everyone! Welcome to Learning Strand 1, Communication Skills in English for Junior High School level. Subject-verb agreement. What is a subject? Subject refers to a person or thing that is being discussed, described, or dealt with. In a sentence, subject is the doer of the action. What is a verb? A verb is a word that indicates a physical action, a mental action, or a state of being. Subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement is the grammatical rule that the verb or verbs in a sentence must match the number, person, and gender of the subject. In English, the verb needs to match just the number and sometimes the person. Here are the rules on subject-verb agreement. To make a noun plural, we add s. Multiple subjects joined by and. If there are two or more subjects joined by and, the subject must be plural, so the verb will not get an s. Multiple subjects joined by or. If there are two or more subjects joined by or, the verb agrees with the part of the subject closest to it. Indefinite pronouns. Some indefinite pronouns are always singular. Here are some examples of indefinite pronouns. Anyone, everyone, someone, no one, nobody. Others can be singular or plural. Examples, all and some. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns who, which, and that can be either singular or plural, depending on the word they refer to. Subject-verb agreement. Sometimes several words come between the subject and the verb. Just take out the phrase in the middle to see whether or not the subject and verb agree. Prepositional phrase. The subject can never be part of a prepositional phrase. Remember, when writing a paper, it is helpful to keep in mind that verbs must always agree with the subject in both number, singular or plural, and person, first, second, or third. This type of agreement helps to ensure that your paper will be accurate, clear, and stylistically accurate. Understanding the importance of subject-verb agreement is fundamental to effective communication. As we close this lesson, remember that mastering subject-verb agreement is a valuable asset in our writing arsenal, mga kaals.